You are an amazing person who deserves all the well wishes in the world. So let's all wish well for all the 8 billion people in this world. In return, you'll receive 8 billion well wishes. Welcome folks, Monopoly Stocks here. Today, we'll be talking about the market wrap-up for April 21st and what are the upcoming catalysts and announcements for April 22nd. Plus, we'll be talking about an important stock to keep it on your watch list. So watch the video all the way through. We'll be giving the bull points for this stock and also the bear points, which will help you in investing. So stay with us. I'll see you right after this. Welcome back folks. Today, before getting started, I would like to thank everybody who has subscribed to us. We already crossed over 700 subscribers and heading towards 750 subscribers. Thanks for your love and support. In the same way, a lot of people are watching but not subscribing, so please do take a second to press that like button and also the subscribe button. In this way, you'll be encouraging us to bring more unique stocks in front of you, plus you'll be helping us in growing our channel. So just take a second to do that. And now that you have subscribed, let's get right into the presentation. So today, according to Yahoo Finance, we have stocks rise for the first time in 3 days as Dow Jones gains 317 points. And today we have Dow Jones, S&P and NASDAQ in the green. And one thing to watch out for is US small cap gained almost 2.5% today, which is when the overall market is gained only 1%. So just check out, maybe the small market cap is gaining the momentum right now, but at the same time, if you are invested using margin, just be very careful. Don't use all the margin to invest in this just because the momentum is going towards a small market cap, because it's a small market cap is always risky, so you never know when there will be a pullback. So just be careful using your margin. So in this way, you won't be forced to sell out your stocks. Okay, and of course this is just our opinion, we're not financial advisors. And on the same hand, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple and many other altcoins in the red. So this is what we mentioned in our previous videos also, when Bitcoin was almost 65,000. So just don't forget to take the profits on that, because you never know when there is a flash crash or any other countries, many other countries like banning Bitcoin. So this will affect the Bitcoin prices. So just if you are invested in cryptocurrency, don't forget to take some profits. In this way, you're cash loaded, and if Bitcoin does crash, you can reinvest into Bitcoin or any other altcoin. So you can take advantage of that. Okay, at the same time, we don't feel like Bitcoin has a very strong support about $53,000 and Ethereum about $2,000. So nothing to worry about there, because it never went below that when we had this crash. So going forward, it should be fine. If you're invested in this, just plan your entry and exit accordingly. Okay, and today in the market, we have almost all the stocks in the green, except we had some red in the energy stocks. So just if you're invested in that, just watch out for that. And electric vehicle stocks jump up as US and China move forward in the cutting emissions. So the focus is back on the startup companies, example like Arrival, Fisker, Green Power Motors, and we have Too Simple, and we have Canoe and QuantumScape, and many other stocks gained a good percentage today. And plus we have Mizuho to start coverage on Coinbase. According to them, in the long term, Coinbase could really hurt on the transaction fees, because if there are competitors like Robinhood and Binance, if they start putting many altcoins on them, so the people will start buying them because the fees on them are low. So just if you are invested in Coinbase, just watch out for that. And we have Disney seals a giant licensing deal with Sony starting with 2022. This is a great potential for Sony. If you are invested, just watch out for that. This will rally the Sony stock price. And we have Spotify and Match accuse Apple app for antitrust violation during the Senate hearing. So Spotify, ticker symbol SPOT, alleged that the iPhone maker abuses its dominant position as a gatekeeper and won't let the competitors grow along. And on the same hand, we have Apple launched its Bluetooth enabled AirTag trackers, which the compete with Tile earlier today. So the Tile CEO said he would accuse the company of antitrust activity during the Senate hearing. So this is a stock which we want to talk about, which is MGM and GMVHF. So the company is MGM Resorts. The ticker symbol is MGM, and the current price is $41.20, and the 52-week high is $42.74, and the low is $11.77. For Etain Holdings, the ticker symbol is GMVHF. The current price is $23.16, and 52-week high is $23.54, and the low is $8.58. So according to the reporting today, they have BetMGM aims to take the quarter of all sporting betting and iGaming action in US. So BetMGM is nothing but MGM Resorts International plus Etain Holdings. Market for this industry is about $32 billion, and they are expecting to take about 25 to 30% of this market, which is about $8 billion to $10 billion. So at present, the enterprise value for MGM is about $30 billion, and GMVHF is about $12 billion. So together they're about $42 billion. So when you compare the revenue and the enterprise value, so the revenue value by enterprise value for MGM and GMVF is 5.25. But if you compare the same thing to the peer, which is DraftKings, it's about 35. So if you do this analysis, we see MGM and GMVHF should grow at about 500%. So this is just our opinion, but if you compare to the analysis of DraftKings, we see a lot of growth ahead of them. And at the same price, at the same note, we have MGM currently in losses compared to the 2019 because of the pandemic. However, they had a constant revenue, which is about $12.9 billion. And also with this partnership, they should reduce the operational cost, and the company should be back in profits. So just watch out for this stock. And of course, we'll be releasing in-depth analysis on this. So just watch out for that. So if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. You don't want to miss that video. And in the earnings, we have many major earnings coming up tomorrow. So before the bell tomorrow, we have AT&T and many others also here. And Southwest Airlines is reporting their earnings, and also the Tractor Supply and Co. So Tractor Supply should do really good because of the stay-home projects and everything. So if you are invested in that, just watch out for that. And after the market close, we have Snap, Intel, Samuel Adams, and many other companies reporting their earnings. And in the biotechnology side, we have announcement tomorrow, which is for April 22nd at 9 a.m. We have TRYP Therapeutics, ticker symbol TRYPF. This is a OTC stock. The current price is 52 cents, and the 52-week high is $1.04, and the low is 45 cents. It's going to host its quarterly investor day. The company will include the updates on its neuropsychiatric disorders program, chemistry, manufacturing, and control activities. And also they're going to announce about their intellectual property and filings, and their vision for 2021 and beyond. So this is a small market cap company, and this just started trading on the OTC platform. So anything related to the intellectual property, this could boost the stock price for this. Just keep this on your watch list. And in the after hours, we have many stocks rallying. So we have Teradata Corporation, ticker symbol TDC, which rallied about 42%. This is because of their better than expected earnings, and also the company said they're moving towards cloud business, and their fundamentals also look very good. So if you're invested, just watch out for this. And we also have XM, also reported better than expected earnings. However, this company is in losses, so if you're invested in this, so just watch out your entry and exit accordingly. And we have many other stocks, example CTEK, and we have KBSF and SFSNB, also rallying, but there is no news on this. So if you're invested, just plan your exit accordingly. So that's it for today, folks, and thanks for watching the video all the way through. And as you said, we are planning on a couple of videos on high growth stocks, so make sure you subscribe, you don't want to miss that. And always remember, please be good to each other. Thank you.